Is it information?
Chief, I'm working. I don't have time to argue about a jacket, okay? Don't you touch me. Don't you touch me. Don't you fucking touch me. You have a problem?
Fuck, it's wrong.
You grabbed me.
What?
Now get out of here before you get a problem.
On November 9, 2023, in Bradley Beach, New Jersey, Sergeant William Major was on scene working a DWI traffic stop on Main Street. Then his police chief showed up, not in uniform, not called, and according to the sergeant on scene, not sober. What happened next was caught entirely on bodycam.
I don't know what he's doing.
I don't know. I'm asking you if he's armed or not.
Oh, yeah, no.
What?
Yeah.
I get that. I'm not saying you aren't. I just want to make sure your head is
giving them a fuck. He's giving them problems
that we need to be aware of.
I can't get any.
Can you tell me your
Chief.
first name at least?
Why do you get a jacket on that's not fit to be worn? What's on the back of it?
What do you mean?
Looking to tell me what's on the back of it?
Oh, they washed off.
Yeah, then get rid of it.
Okay.
That's ridiculous.
Okay.
You're a sergeant, for God's sake.
Okay, Chief. Let me work this DWI, okay? Chief, I'm on a DWI.
Come over here.
Chief, I'm on a DWI.
Get over here.
I'm on a DWI.
Is it information?
Chief, I'm working. I don't have time to argue about a jacket, okay?
Get over here.
Don't you touch me. Don't you touch me. Don't you fucking touch me. You have a problem?
Fuck, it's wrong.
You grabbed me.
What?
Now get out of here before you get a problem.
Take him out. Take him
No,
out.
you're going to go in.
Take him out.
Chief Leonard Guida had arrived at the scene without being called, out of uniform and dressed casually. According to the sergeant's account and what is audible on the body cam, this was not the first time. Sergeant Major, a senior officer working an active DWI investigation, had every reason to be focused on the scene in front of him. Instead, he now had to manage his own chief.
Drunk again. Whose keys are these?
They're mine.
Get out of here.
No.
Chief, get out of here or you're going to get locked up.
No, you...
Chief, you're going to get locked up. You grabbed me. I asked you 3 times to leave me alone. You're obstructing my DWI.
Billy, come over here.
Let him go.
That's the first thing. Billy,
I'm trying to get away from everybody.
Shut up, because you're in trouble now. Stop,
No, I'm
please,
not in
stop.
trouble.
Stop,
I'm not in
stop,
trouble.
stop.
You're going to be in trouble.
Stop,
You're gonna be
Billy,
in trouble.
Billy.
Chief, I'm working at DWI.
I'm listening to you.
Okay.
Shut up.
No.
You're in trouble because this is the first thing. First of all, I was about to say to you, you stupid. I was about to say to you, what do you need OEM for?
You're embarrassing me in front of the men about the jacket.
No. That's neither here nor there.
Okay.
That's neither here nor there. Now we got a real fucking problem, Billy.
Yeah, we do.
I know.
We do.
All right, you're gonna have to go inside.
No, how about we do this?
No.
We go
Billy,
inside.
Billy, you're gonna have to go inside right now with me. You're gonna have to go inside and
We're in a serious collision.
Billy, you're not doing anything when I'm on the scene, okay? You should know better than this, my friend.
No.
Listen to me.
Grab me.
No, I said
You were
come
out of
over
line.
here.
You're out of line. You grabbed me. It's on video.
Billy,
It's on video. I'm not going to argue with it. I have a crash to work.
Billy,
I have a job to do.
You're
okay?
relieved. Billy, you're relieved.
Okay.
You're relieved.
I'll go home.
No. Billy, you have to understand something. You're relieved. Billy, you're relieved. Go in the headquarters and wait for me.
After my crash.
No, Billy, you're relieved.
I have
Billy.
officers here.
Billy.
Right here. They could get waffled because my car is
Billy.
blocking it.
Billy, you're relieved.
No, Chief.
No, Billy. Please, Billy, don't. You're suspended, Billy.
I'm
You're
suspended?
Yes.
Okay. Then I'm suspended. I'm going home.
Yes. Billy, come here.
Then the chief did something that would make this situation significantly worse. Rather than leave, he attempted to take control and suspended the sergeant who called him out.
I'm going home. We can't talk. I'm suspended.
No.
I'm suspended. I'm
You're
going
to headquarters
home.
and you're going to wait for me there.
No, I'm not. I'm suspended. I'm going home.
You're going to go into headquarters and wait for me there.
Let me work my crash.
No,
this is why I'm here.
Billy, you're suspended.
All right, if I'm suspended, then I'm not going to wait inside. Nothing more to say.
No, Billy. You have to. Let me just explain something to you. Billy, you're suspended.
Okay.
All right. Billy,
Yes.
right now.
Okay.
Wait for me in there. That's an order.
Can you do me a favor? Can you put your car where my car is so our officers and first aid don't get run over, please?
I got you.
Thank you.
Billy suspended. You see what happened there?
Yes, Chief.
What happened?
There's some type of exchange between you and Sergeant Major.
Well, we're going to talk about that later. Everybody's got that. Billy's suspended. You already got this. What do you got here? What do you have?
We're trying to figure that out, Chief.
Go on, Billy.
In there.
Dog. Yes, you're going to meet me in there. Go and put the dog in right now.
There's nowhere to put her. She's going to ruin things.
Okay, we'll leave her in there. Go in.
I'm going. I got people on the road. I want to make sure they're safe. I want to run you over, so watch out.
No. Come on. Go ahead. You know I love you. Come on.
I know. What? What's wrong with you?
Stop. Billy.
Why would you do that to me?
Stop. Billy. Stop. You got enough problems already. Please.
Okay.
Following the incident, the Monmouth County Prosecutor's Office launched an investigation into Chief Leonard Guida's conduct. Guida was placed on paid administrative leave, at his full salary of $202,500 per year, according to state pension records. Sergeant William Major, who was suspended on scene, was later allowed to resume his full duties. Guida is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. But let's be clear about what we just watched. This was not a heated disagreement between two officers with different opinions. This was a police chief, the highest-ranking officer in that department, showing up uninvited to an active DWI investigation, allegedly intoxicated, and attempting to discipline the officer who told him to leave. On bodycam. In front of his own men. And the word that doesn't leave you is again. Sergeant Major didn't say you're drunk. He said you're drunk again. That one word tells you this wasn't a one-time lapse. That this scene had played out before, just without a camera running. Under New Jersey law, conduct unbecoming an officer applies regardless of rank. There is no exemption for chiefs. The badge does not bend the standard, it is supposed to raise it. A chief earns that salary precisely because the department's integrity flows from the top down. What Sergeant Major did in that moment, standing his ground on an active scene, telling his own chief to leave, absorbing a suspension rather than backing down, is exactly what the job is supposed to look like. The chief had the rank. The sergeant had the point. And the bodycam caught every second of both. So ask yourself this. If the officer who called it out hadn't been wearing a camera, would anyone have ever known?